Are you a stay-at-home mom, or you have a child that you're nurturing, and then but you really want to start doing something and start earning money on your own? Okay, I got you. Here are some of the things that you can start doing as a stay-at-home mom, okay, that will give you the time for your family and the time to take care of your children. We have some jobs and also some businesses that you can actually also do that will give you the time to take care of your family and your children. Okay, number one on my list is like a job, yeah, like a job and business is what tutoring, and coaching, you know, online tutoring and coaching, or teacher. Yeah, you can be a teacher. A lot of people, they if you have a job in a very good setting, you can be a teacher, because most of the time, let's say your child or your children, they are going to that same school or going to a school. Most of the time you see that schools close almost the same time. Okay, so, and teachers, let's say you go to work by 8, as you're leaving the house, your children are also leaving the house. You're taking them to school as well. If you're closing, let's say by 3 or 4, as you're closing, your children are also closing. You take them home. So you have chance, you have time to nurture your children and take care of them. So online tutoring and coaching is one of the things that you should consider, or being a teacher. Okay, you can consider that. If you are not a physical teacher, you can organize courses online and be teaching online. Like, if you know English very well, you can be teaching English online. If there's any other course that you know very well, you can teach online and you make money. So, teaching or online tutor is one of the things. So number two thing that you should consider is what home based what catering and what baking. We have a lot of people that they have the skills of baking and cooking and all of that. If you have clients, people can order or ask you to do cake for them for their birthdays. People can ask you to make some snacks for them for their birthdays and or parties and all of that. You do that from your home. If you have very big kitchen, just from the comfort of your home, you can bake, you can do a lot of things that concerns or baking and cooking and all of that. They can even hire you to cook for a party and all of that. Just from the comfort of your home, you can do all of that. So there are a lot of things that you can learn. So if you don't have the skills of all these things, you can go and learn it. Even online, you can learn. Gone are the days where you have to go sit in a physical shop or a physical institution to learn some of these things. With your data, you can learn some of these things on YouTube. Yes, there are some things I know how to do. I didn't go to any class or whatever to learn. It's through YouTube. Just get data, watch many videos, you and all of that. Then you put it into practice. You keep practicing. You're gonna be perfect before you know. So that's just the truth. So baking and catering is another thing you can what consider. The third one that you can consider is what digital products, creating digital product. Let's say for instance, you know how to bake, you know how to cook and all of that. You can combine it into a course, okay, and put it online there. How to cook this, how to cook that. You make it as a course, and people are going to buy your course. People are going to buy this digital product, okay. Put it on Amazon, put it on Seller, and you're going to what, make money, okay. Another thing is what, freelancing. Freelancing, copywriting. People have make a lot of money through this. There are platforms that you can go register and all of that. You do copywriting, you do freelancing and all of that. So these are some of the things that you can do as a stay-at-home mom. Another thing again is what? Drop shipping. Don't play. A lot of people have make high money from this drop shipping of a thing. Okay, you are not the one that have those products, but you can just go online and you see a company that whatever you advertise for them, and then you maybe you carry that product, put it on your platform, either on your WhatsApp or whatever, and then just add up a little price on it. Then when people see it and they like it, then your own is just to order from the company, and then you sell it to them. Give the company the original whatever. Then you make your word. The gain that is on top is your own. That's dropshipping. People have made a lot of money from that. Okay, you don't have to be the owner of the product. You don't have to go to market, buy shoes or bags before you can do that. Okay, just once you see a product online, someone who is selling, you can pick it, put it on your platform, advertise it. Once people see it, they like it and sell. And let's say an order for it, you make your own commission from that this thing. Sometimes even the sellers can even give you a commission from it. Okay, that's another way that you can make money. So in my next video, I'm going to give you more